The United States has once again slammed Jamaica for its corruption problem. In its latest International Narcotics Control Strategy report on Jamaica, the U.S. State Department says corruption remains entrenched and widespread in Jamaica. The report also points to historical ties between organized crime leaders and government officials. We have more in this report. The latest International Narcotics Control Strategy report stated that as a matter of policy, the Jamaican government does not encourage or facilitate illegal activity associated with drug trafficking or the laundering of proceeds from illicit drug transactions. It went on to state that Jamaican law penalizes corruption, but in practice, corruption remains entrenched and widespread. It said the judicial system has a poor record of prosecuting corruption cases against law enforcement and government officials. It pointed out that the last time a member of parliament or similarly high-ranking official was tried or convicted on corruption charges was in 1990, when a former Minister of Labour was convicted for diverting money from a farm work program for personal gain. The report published by the U.S. State Department also said corruption at Jamaica's airports and seaports allegedly facilitates the movement of drug shipments across borders, and organized crime leaders have historically had ties to government officials, creating a permissive environment for drug trafficking. The U.S. State Department welcomed the government's decision to table legislation to make the major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA fully independent from the police force to investigate organized crime and official corruption. To increase public and government attention on the need for anti-corruption reforms, the U.S. government said it has provided support to Jamaica through the non-governmental organization National Integrity Action (NIA).